Hello, I'm Miss Pat and welcome to our Block of the Month headquarters here at Stitchin Heaven. I hope I find everyone well today, and I'm going to be talking to you today about Gnome Mania. This is a 12-month Block of the Month program. It offers laser applique, which is precision cut right here in our store. There's a different gnome each month, and everything you see right here in front of me comes in your kit once a month. You're going to have your pattern, which is right here. This is the one for March, and it's called Birthday Boy Bjorn, which has a little Swedish tendencies to it, which I think is cute as all get out. These are going to be your fabrics. This is going to be like your background fabrics, your trim for your frame, and then all of this right here is what's going to build your gnome. This gnome is precision cut by our laser department, so there's no room for error. So putting this thing together is an absolute breeze. You've even got the ribbon, the pom-pom. You're going to get the embroidery thread as well for all the little handwork on it. And this is our welcome letter. This welcome letter will explain to you how our Block of the Month program works. It's also on the inside. You can see that it's got all of our monthly, which one you're going to receive each month. But the most important one, oh, and the coolest thing about this is they're all holiday themed. So like in January, it's snow. In February, it's going to be Valentine's, which is sweet, and I love that. So on the next page over here is where we have all of our QR codes. We have a Facebook group. You're going to have your fabric keys. You're also going to be able to subscribe to our newsletter, and you'll be able to update your building information all from our Stitchin Heaven website. So when you scan this key, you'll be able to join our Facebook group, which I highly recommend, because when you've got several other people in there working, y'all can compare notes and see how everything came out, and if yours looks like theirs or if yours is completely different, and you can discuss how the applique and how the block went together. I love our Facebook group, and this one is very cool. So in closing, also on the back, you'll find our address and our store hours. We are open Wednesday through Saturday, 10 to 5. Customer service hours are 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Not only do we have Gnome Mania as a Block of the Month, but we have several different programs for our Block of the Month headquarters. Go to stitchinheaven.com, take a look at our website, and see what other Block of the Month programs we have. This one may not be to your fancy, but we have several others that are just dying for you to sign up. So go check out our Block of the Month headquarters on our Stitchin Heaven website at www.stitchinheaven.com. Thank you.